Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data. Export or note any custom shortcuts and dictionary entries so you can restore them later. Now open your device keyboard settings. On mobile, that's settings right arrow keyboard. On desktop, it's system right arrow languages. Once there, disable auto correct and predictive to create a clean test baseline. This helps you tell whether the problem is system or learned behavior. Make sure to leave keyboard language and layout unchanged for accurate diagnosis. You now remove the keyboard's learned history, clear cache, and reset the personal dictionary or keyboard personalization from the settings you opened. This forces the system to forget incorrect mappings that cause bad corrections. Once cleared, re-enable autocorrect and type predictable test phrases so you can monitor corrections in real time. This shows what's been fixed. If issues persist, update the OS and keyboard app, or reinstall a third-party keyboard to replace corrupted components. Finish by teaching the keyboard the right behavior. Add entries as shortcuts and repeatedly type corrected forms so the system learns them. If errant corrections continue, create a fresh user profile or factory reset keyboard settings to eliminate profile corruption. Once done, test across apps to confirm consistency. If problems remain, boot into safe mode or use an alternate profile. This isolates third-party interference. If that pinpoints the issue, uninstall the conflicting app or keyboard and restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.